guys, magsasolid kami ng mga bote. Magbebenta pala kami ng mga bote kasi naghihirap na. Pinampili ng king crabs. Wala kaming pera na. Patay na ang naglason. Ayan, yan kami sa battle dito. Fast drop. Yung pasyente ko nakamusta. Tutulungan ko siya kasi kawawa naman. Ganyan lang yung magawa. Kasi segregate mo. Segregate natin. Ganito kadami yan. It's not that bad. I'm just gonna put in here so you can see. Dami kong friend here. Yung mga bee. Why you putting you're just cleaning already? We're not done. Smells pee in here.
That's where the home was at nighttime.
So stink. Do you think how much?
Couldn't be about
Walaan nyo kung magkakamagkano kami. Bibigyan kita ng
God, there's a lot of these in here.
it's okay. Ang makakahula, bibigyan ko ng $100. Kulang pa sa pinagbilhan. Kulang pa sa pinagbilhan. Agoy, ang daming beef. Pati yung ganito na kapo. We have to split there. Milk jug. Juice. Dami pala to. That's a lot. Ito yung coffee na iniinom ko always. Caramel macchiato. Sinusolid din. Nilalagyan ng coffee. Kasi binayaran ko. Binabayaran namin yan sa store. Deposit. Battle. Diba sa Pilipinas, pag bumili ka ng family size, dati, I don't know ngayon kung gano'n pa din.
So,
Yes. Pag bumili ka ng isang family size, kasi nun may tindahan ako, magdi-deposit ka lang, parang hinihingaan ko ng 10 pesos para ibabalik nila yung bote. Kasi, binabayaran din namin yun sa dealer. Yung bote. Hindi ko lang alam ngayon kung ganun pa rin. Sinasoli pa rin yung mga family size. Mga bote. Overflow. So we need to get next.
no. No, don't put them there. No.
Where?
Just hold on. I gotta make room right here.
It's gonna start here.
But then I gotta move them again. No.
Okay.
So just leave them in the back.
It's hot. Napakainit. We finished all the tray. nahulaan nyo, kung magkano. Then, pag nahulaan nyo, may $100 ka sa akin. Kulang pa yung pinagbilhan. Sana lang. Oh, there's a bottle of thing there.
Yeah, there's the
And then the
glass.
bottom in there.
Yeah.
There's some more. Napakainit. So, ito yung pinatas namin. Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima, anim, ito, 8 ano itong tawag dito? Tray? 8 trays. So, meron pa yung wine glass doon. Mas mahal yata yung wine glass. Agoy, may. Guys, pumasok na ako dito sa loob. Kasi may bee allergy ako doon. Pag kinagat ako, mamamatay ako agad. Naku, patay tayo. Allergy ako dun. Hindi ko alam. Lumaki na ako ng ganito. Ngayon ko lang nalaman. Dito ko lang nalaman sa Canada na allergy pala ako sa kagat ng bee. Ano ba yan? Hintayin natin kung magkano. Ayan na. Tanungin natin. How was it?
165.
165?
Yeah, $16.50.
Oh my god, that's a lot. $16 and
50 cents.
50 cents. Nice. Ayan na, nasoli na natin yung mga bote. Bibili na naman. Mag-iipon na naman tayo. Wala namin tubig. So we have to buy water.
We drink a lot of water summertime.
Summertime, yeah.
Wintertime, not gonna drink that much.
We'll drink, but
Not as much. Well, let's start building up this again.
remove your mask, please. So they can see your
Beautiful face.
guapo face. Face? You're fussy. Remove your mask. So much finish the video. Say hi. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you sa pagsama sa pagsoli ng bote. Bye!
So many bees
I know.
are trying to get in the car.
They're trying to get me again.